we got to use a proportion to find that unknown side length in these two triangles which are similar. Similar means same shape, but not necessarily the same size. All right, let's plug in numbers. We have, I better grab a marker here. Okay, got it. AB is 120. Let's see how small I can write. Got it. And then AC is 100. CB is the one we're looking for. On the other triangle, we got FE is 63. Okay, and FE is going to be proportional to CB. And we got ED is 90. And we got FD is 108. All right, so let's go ahead and draw our proportion here. Two ratios with an equal sign. And we'll have the 63 on top. The side that it's proportional to is CB, which we don't know, so we're going to call that N. FD is 90. Okay. 90. And the side from the other triangle that goes with FD is going to be AC. AC is 100. All right, so now I cross multiply. Let me show you what that looks like. We got 90 times N and 63 times 100. 6,300 and 90N. All right. 90N. Divide it to solve this, and we're going to divide by 90. 6,300 divided by 90 equals, 6,300. Type in your numbers carefully. Divided by 90 equals 70. Forgot one last thing then as we're writing our answer. We have 70, and our unit of measure is yards. All right, watch this video again as many times as it takes to see how to solve a proportional relationship with similar figures.